In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to Excel in Asana 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your project tasks out of Asana and into a spreadsheet you can sort, filter, and share. This is perfect for reporting, analysis, or building dashboards outside of Asana. All you need is access to your Asana workspace and Microsoft Excel or another spreadsheet app that can open CSV or XLSX files. Start by signing into your Asana account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization and that you have permission to view the project you want to export. If your team uses single sign-on, complete that as usual. It's a good idea to close any extra browser tabs so the download is easy to spot later. Next, open the specific project you want to export. You can find it from the sidebar or search for it by name. Confirm you're looking at the right project by checking its title at the top of the screen. Exports include the tasks and key fields from this project, so double-check you're in the exact one you need. At the top, locate the project name and click the small drop-down arrow next to it. This opens the Project Actions menu where Asana keeps options for exporting and syncing. If you don't see the arrow, make sure your window is maximized or try switching from board to list view. The menu remains the same. From the menu, choose Export or Sync, then select the option labeled Project Tasks, CSV, XLSX. Asana will ask which format you want. Pick XLSX if you primarily use Excel and want everything to open neatly with columns and formatting recognized immediately. Choose CSV if you plan to use another tool, import into a database, or prefer a universal format. Both contain the same task data, including names, assignees, due dates, completion status, and custom fields where applicable. Click Export to start the download. For larger projects, this may take a few moments while Asana packages the file. Keep an eye on your browser's download bar or your downloads folder to find the file once it's ready. Finally, open the downloaded file in Excel. If you chose CSV, Excel may prompt you to confirm the delimiter. Select comma if asked. Review your columns, adjust date formats, and turn on filters to analyze your data quickly. You can auto-size columns, wrap long text, and save as in .xlsx file for future edits. If anything looks off, remember that the export reflects the project's fields and what you can access in Asana. That's it. Your Asana project is now ready for Excel-based reporting and insights.